Hello and welcome everyone. I am Mohammed Bilal and I am going to discuss the course overview of programming with Python in this video. Currently in this video we are discussing introduction to course. Afterward we will discuss introduction to Python. Lesson 3 will discuss setting up Python environment which includes downloading and installing Anaconda, provides interface for Jupyter Notebook and Spider. Along with it we will also discuss Google Colab. Lesson 4 will discuss basic syntax and data types. Then we will discuss variables and operators in lesson 5. Lesson 6 will focus on control flows, including if-else loops, statements, and do-while loops. Lesson 7 will focus on functions and parameters passing. Lesson 8 will discuss on working with lists and dictionaries. Lesson 9 will focus on files and error handlings. Lesson 10 will focus on reading and writing of files. Lesson 11 will focus on understanding libraries. And Lesson 12 will focus on exception handling. The 4 key learning outcomes of this course will be learning of the basics of Python programming language. It will enable users to write basic Python programs using the right syntax, variables, and operators. It will enable the use of control flow structures and functions for different tasks. It will enable the users to use file handling and exception handling techniques. Along with it, there are a number of other course learning outcomes as well. For example, problem solving for different problems, thinking how to solve different problems using Python. The next important question for this course, which most of you will be having, is prerequisite to this course. Is there any programming experience required or not? So, no programming experience is required, as this course is ideal for you if you have never written a line of code before, because we will be discussing everything from scratch. The target audience will be complete beginners in programming, students and academic learners, and others. In the next video, we will be discussing introduction to Python programming.